Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So there are multiple new updates available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today's video we will check out those updates. Starting off with the first one, so for that simply go into the settings of your device, then tap about security and privacy. From here you have to tap on updates. After tapping on updates, you have to tap on Google Play System Update. So the Google Play System Update was on February 1st, 2026. Now we have the latest update available of 64 MBs in size, which is the March 1st, 2026. First of all, you will have to download this update, and once the update is downloaded, you have to restart it. To complete the installation process, now your device will automatically restart after tapping on Restart Now. And after restarting, your phone will be on the latest update, which is the March 1st, 2026. Another March update that you guys can install is the security patch update. So for that, you have to go into the settings of your device again. Now from the settings of your device, scroll all the way down and tap on software update, then tap on download and install. From here, you will get to see this March 5th, 2026 security patch update. Further, if you talk about the beta version of One UI 8.5, so the sad news is that you will get to see 2 more beta versions before the official update according to the latest rumors. It is bad in this way that the beta update is only available to some limited countries, while the other countries will have to wait for the official release. So if your country is not eligible for the One UI 8.5 beta, you will have to wait for the official update. By the way, let me know in the comment section that have you installed this beta update on your device or not. In the end, there are some app updates also available. For that, go into the Galaxy Store app, then tap on menu, then tap on updates. So there are 21 new app updates available that you guys can install. Simply tap on update all and all of these apps will be updated on your phone. And that's it for today's video. These were some multiple updates available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and some news regarding the One UI 8.5 update. Let me know your thoughts about this One UI 8.5 in the comment section below. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.